हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल शॉर्ट एंड क्लासेस विद रेनू। स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम कैलाश चंद्रा का वॉल्यूम 24 और ट्रांसक्रिप्शन नंबर बैक ऑफ 511 करेंगे। स्टार्ट। मैनी इरिगेशन प्रोजेक्ट्स आर पेंडिंग क्लियरेंस फ्रॉम द सेंटर because of river water disputes that are existing between the states. Recently, a silver lining was seen in the sky with the three chief ministers of Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala agreeing in principle to constitute the Kaveri River Valley Authority to settle the allocation of water for each state. Unfortunately, it has not borne fruit. I would again urge the ministers for agriculture and irrigation to request the chief ministers again to sit at the table and agree to constitute the Kaveri River Valley Authority so that these disputes can be solved once and for all. There are similar river water disputes in other areas. For example, with regard to sharing of Narmada waters, there is a dispute between Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. I would urge that all these river water disputes should be frozen and river valley authorities should be set up once and for all to settle the allocation of water and also to go ahead with the construction of irrigation projects. Coming to industry, sir, we all know that the growth rate of industry was almost zero in 2003 to 2004. Thanks to progressive policies and vigorous implementation of those policies, the growth rate now is 3.5% with efforts to ensure fuller utilization of capacity and assurance to supply scarce industrial raw materials at international prices. It is possible that the current year may turn out a better picture for industry. The kingpin of industrial growth lies in coal, steel, and power. Coal production, which was 80 million tons last year, has improved to 90 million tons by now. There is no longer any shortage of steel. Thermal power has gone up by 14% and hydel power in DVC, as has already been stated by the President, has gone up by 34%. There is still power shortage in many states of India, particularly in Tamil Nadu and to some extent in Karnataka, Haryana, and Punjab. So, the power projects should be given top priority, and the power project of Kalindi, for which the foundation was laid by our beloved Prime Minister, should be taken up with speed and completed as early as possible. Mr. Deputy Chairman, sir, you are aware that we had to spend more for import of oil because of the rise in price of oil. It is encouraging to find that we have struck oil offshore in Bombay High, and it is expected that we will be able to produce 100 million tons of oil from Bombay High.